So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Sagi is the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. The Sun card, the Chariot, and the King of Wands. There's a lot of passion, lot of desire to do something in this direction, but they feel they should just keep moving ahead in their life with or without you. Even though there is a lot of attraction, a lot of pull towards you from this person's side, and they still see you as their happiness, kind of, they are choosing this energy of, but I should move on. I should keep moving ahead in my life. I should not look back. No matter what, I should not look back. Even if I'm feeling very attracted to Sagittarius, even if I'm feeling like they are kind of my happiness, I should just keep moving ahead in my life, and I should not look back no matter what. So this is somebody trying to go against their feelings and against their heart, and giving it the name of I don't care. This is how it is, and this is how it should be, and I'm going to follow it. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Four of Wands, the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Sagittarius, this is somebody who wants to come back around towards you, and they want to get married to you. They want to have a long-term partnership, a commitment kind of energy between you and them, and this is kind of a wish fulfillment for them. Wow, Sagittarius, somebody definitely wants to come back around and have this offer on the table for you to get married, to get committed, or to have a long-term partnership between you and them. This is really beautiful. In their feelings, they're trying their best to go against their heart. In their intentions, they want to come back around you. They want to come back around, and they want to have this wish fulfillment with you, where both of you are in a very beautiful committed relationship, and this relationship is going forward to the next level of marriage, long term partnership. This person wants to talk to you. Very good energies, very beautiful cards for their intentions. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 31st of March, Sagis. We have the Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, and Justice. When it comes to the action, this person is running away in the opposite direction. Something similar to Libra. This is somebody who is running away totally in the opposite direction, and trying to approach somebody, something or someone, maybe a mentor or guru or spiritual guru or person, or this person is trying to run away from the situation, straight away to a person or a situation that is going to show them the true path, the right direction somehow. Strange. Almost similar to Libra's outcome, Libra's actions. So you might be connected to a Libra somehow, or you might be having Libra in your chart somehow. Not mandatory, but the similarity is kind of quite similar readings. Anyways, so this is somebody who is refusing to take any kind of action in this direction, even if they feel and even if they want to, because according to them, this is the justice, this is the right thing to do, even if they think that they still have love and emotions for you. Oh God. So the Hierophant in between always tells me that either caste or religion or culture is a main obstacle or challenge here, or family. Hmm? Here in this situation, they are trying to protect their culture, their family, and at the same time, they are trying to find somebody who can help them to stay on track. Wow, that's a very strange kind of energy. But because of their cultural background, because of their family, because of they want to be in this type of energy of okay, I am going to stay connected to my cultural energies, my culture things. They don't want to break a cycle here somehow, so they just want to stay connected to those kind of energies that is going to keep them on track somehow, whatever their track is. I really don't know. And for others of you, if this is not the issue, They simply want to find some guru, mentor, or somebody, or healer, or somebody who can help them to let go of this situation from their life so that they can be at ease and at peace. Almost similar to Libra. This is very strange. For you, the guidance is the magician. So, Sagittarius, what exactly do you want in your love and relationship area? That you have to send to the universe in the exact manner, the way you want it. If this is the if this is the person that you want, you should definitely tell the universe that this is the only person that I want, no matter what happens. If you want somebody else, then also you should state what you really want in your love and relationship area. If right now you want to focus on something else, then also, so basically crystal clear clarity about what you really want, what you really want to manifest in your life right now is required from your side in order to get it manifested in the 3D world, in the real world. That's the deal here. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I have for you. This is the Light Seers Tarot deck that I'm using for this reading today. And if you want to know about my spiritual journey from my childhood till now, you can check out the comment section. I will yeah, leave the link there. Right. This is about my spiritual journey, Osho meditations, Osho Pune, and all that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.